Welcome to another Form Titan video. In this video, I will show you how to set interactive PDF for conditional preview. Now, in the past, when you set up multiple PDFs, for example, let's say you have 3 PDFs, only the first one you'd be able to do interactive fields on. But now in this release, you'll be able to do interactive on all 3 of them based on whichever one you view first on the conditional preview. So what we'll do is we'll go and set some up, and I'll show you how all of the process works, and you'll be able to see all of that live. So first thing I'll do is I'll get some sections, and I'm going to go ahead and enable labels for these, and we'll call this one count section. We'll call this one contact section, and we'll call this one case section. Okay, and then we'll just go ahead and insert some fields in here. So we'll do text box, call this account name, account number, account revenue, and then account type. Something like that. And then we'll go and fill up the contact. So I'll tell you what, I'll just copy this and we'll say, we'll just go ahead and add a couple of fields, say contact name, and then we'll do contact email, just 2 fields. I'll actually, you know what, I'll just keep it simple, just do 2 fields for now. And then we'll move this over here and I'll just rename them to case number. And then we'll do case origin. Okay, so once I've got 3 of the different sections, I'm going to go ahead and insert each of the PDFs for them. So this one will go and add account. So let's see, docgen, there we go. Okay, we'll go ahead and insert account in here. And then I'll just go and do account name. Let's make all of these a little bit bigger. And then account number. And that's it. And then what we'll do is we'll go into settings, preview before submit, interactive, configure, and we'll make sure that these fields are now interactive, and we'll allow inline editing. We'll also highlight them as well. Click apply, click apply again, apply, and this one's now good to go. I'll just go ahead and actually rename it quickly. Cancel settings, and we'll call this account PDF. Okay, and now let's go and do the contact one. Let's go and add that in there as well. So we'll enable this, add page, we'll choose contact. Okay, now we'll go ahead and insert contact name. Again, it's like the same process here. And we'll do contact email. Again, same process. Now you'll see that in here, now each of them will become interactive. So you can click make default, and then that becomes the default. Go into settings, preview before submit, you can make this interactive as well. Like this, inline editing and highlight this. Click apply. And this one we already know becomes interactive. Let's go and add our final page. We'll do case. And here I'll submit just case number. Cancel. Case number. And we'll do case origin. Go to settings. Let's have a look at condition. Now this is the option here, preview condition. So preview condition, you can preview them based on any field and value. So I'll go and set these up right now. So let's say I'll take a text box. Actually, let's do a drop down. We'll bring this drop down here. We'll say which PDF would you like to view? And then I'll add account, I'll add contact, and I'll add case. And from here on, I'll just simply go ahead and do, first of all, I'll give it a name. I'll say contact PDF. And then here in the condition, in the preview condition, I'll say my field, which needs to be a hidden field. So what we'll do is we'll get the hidden field here. And we'll do preview condition. Now what we can do is we're going to take value directly from this field into the hidden field. So this field is FLD39, and we'll say take value from FLD39. And now that's done, and I can go back in here and say condition, preview condition, value needs to be contact. This one I can say preview condition, the value needs to be account. And for this one, which is the case, I'm going to set interactive mode for this as well, and then highlight fields. Don't have to make them mandatory, I guess, but we will enable inline editing. And then finally, the preview condition is going to be the case. All right, just like that. And now what you'll find is that you can modify any of these in an interactive mode based on their preview condition. It's just like that. There you go. You can see the interactive mode is now switched on for this. And then interactive mode is also switched on for this as well. Alright, so let's see how this works in real time. Click apply, save, and then just for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to check my hidden fields. And let's go ahead and preview. There's one more thing I need to do, which is put on my submit button. So we'll move this here. Get ourselves a submit button. This. Right, we're good to go. So now let's check it out. So I'm going to say, you know what, show me the account PDF. So I'll click submit, and there's my account PDF. Notice it's now interactive. I can add my detail in there, like this, okay? So that's my account PDF. Now, if I wanted to do contact, I'll click submit, it's going to bring the contact PDF. And I can add stuff in there now, fully modify it. Something very, very simple. Now if I wanted to do case, I can also do case. Click submit. You can see now the case is interactive. So this is how it's done. It's super, super simple. All you have to do is make sure when you stack up your PDFs directly in document generation, you make sure a few things. First, you need to make sure that your condition is set up correctly, the preview condition. Make sure you're only using a hidden field in this field. It won't be able to pick up any other field. It has to be a hidden field. Then you set your value on which the preview will happen if the condition is met. Then you need to check interactive mode, configure, and make sure that you either set it for inline editing or outline editing, and enable highlight fields if you want them to see which fields they should be editing. And this is how it's done. Super simple. Thank you for watching this video.